Over the years, every new product and every new development has been another bridge toward the next advancement. Every success accomplishes something that a previous generation thought was impossible. And the successes we have today pave the way for overcoming the next impossibility. Through it all, the evolution of critical communications has always had one simple goal: to improve lives. Not only do our strategies help us move faster and innovate more, they help us keep the world turning, keep the trains running, keep the turbines turning, keep the healthy babies being born. We don't take our role in this lightly, and neither should you. Critical communications may make the world go round, but we are the driving force behind the world's most significant changes. We all have the power to make the world a better place, and the strategies you use along the way can make all the difference.